Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a logo to your Wix header. Okay, it's actually pretty easy to do. So first up, let's just go ahead and go to the left panel, click on Add Elements. Okay, click. Once done, go ahead and select Image. All right, on the right hand side, make sure that you click on Upload Images. Okay, if you have your image or logo under Google Drive or some other websites available in here, you can go ahead and choose this option. Okay, I'm just going to use Upload Images, and here in the left panel, make sure that you select Computer. If you have uploaded your logo under your Wix account, you can click Wix account. Okay, just click on it. Now I'm going to upload it directly from my computer. Upload maybe this logo right here. Open, wait for it, and once done, head on Add to Page. Okay, here we have the image. All you have to do next is just click and hold on it, then drag it to the header section, like so. Resize it, and here you have your logo. Okay, ideally, you should upload a file type right here like SVG or PNG, so it would have the transparent effect. Okay, but that's basically how you do it. All right, you can stretch it out if you want to. And that's it for this tutorial. That's how you add a logo to the Wix header. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.